Blwyddyn newydd dda, Happy New Year. Blwyddyn newydd, Iaith newydd. A new year, new language. How about setting a New Year's resolution to dysgu Cymraeg, to learn Welsh, or to polish up on the Welsh language skills you already have? All the courses I'll be discussing in this video are am ddim, for free. And it's worth reminding you that Welsh language training has been identified as a key priority, therefore that they should be considered as compulsory to attend Welsh language training and fully supported by your line manager. The first course I'd like to discuss are our weekly lessons with me, the Welsh language tutor. These launch next week, the Degfed o Ionawr, 10th of January, week beginning next week. These run over Teams, so they're virtual lessons, if you like, weekly lessons, and they'll be running for a block of 10 Wythnos, 10 weeks. Unfortunately, the beginners course is fully booked, but we do have space in the entry part 2, foundation level and intermediate level. You can see from the poster some criteria for each level and also the date it begins, the day and the time as well. If you can't commit to weekly lessons, how about completing this self-studying online 60-hour course? These will launch at the end of Ionawr, at the end of January. And the beauty of these courses are that you can complete them at your own pace and at your own time, whether that be at work or at home, as long as you have internet access. These courses are only available at Entry Part 1, so Beginners Level Welsh, Entry Part 2 and Foundation Part 1. Each course consists of 14 units, and we recommend that you complete a unit every fortnight. Therefore, the 60 hours should be completed within 28 weeks. Although they are a self-studying course, you can always join our fortnightly tutorials. So if you have any questions about the course or need any explanation about anything, then you can join the courses and speak with a tutor about the course. We work alongside Nant Gwrtheyrn, and they have some incredible opportunities for you to fully immerse yourself in the Welsh language. So they have residential courses running from January through to March, and again on the poster, the different dates. The courses are only available at the higher levels, so intermediate, higher and proficiency. It's an intense 5-day course, so residential meaning that you go to Nant Gwrtheyrn and stay Monday through to Friday. Again, I can't stress this enough, it's all am ddim for free. So your food for the week, the accommodation, as well as the course content. If you can't commit to going to Nant Gwrtheyrn for the week, they do offer an intense virtual courses. So these again run from Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. over Teams for the week. So plenty of options there if you're a higher level learner of Welsh. If you work on reception, why not attend this taster course? It's only for reception staff, and it's to polish up your Cymraeg, or perhaps to get you to use a bit more Cymraeg on your email and on the telephone. So there are new dates for this year running in February, and there are 4 dates there for you to choose from. You only need to attend one of those dates. This course will be tailored specifically for reception staff, but if there's anything specific you would like to learn, just drop me an email and I can create the lesson to suit your needs. Remember, defnyddiwch eich Cymraeg, use your Welsh. Make it a New Year's resolution to use a little bit more Welsh every day. How about beginning every conversation in Cymraeg? If you'd like to register on any of the courses or for further information, please drop me an email on the email address below. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Hwyl fawr.